As one of the early leaders in online payments, PayPal once reigned supreme as the go-to choice for consumers and businesses alike. But today, its dominance is gradually fading. Why is this happening, and which platforms are stepping in to fill the gap? First, let's explore why PayPal is losing its grip. Consumer behavior is shifting dramatically. In the era of fast, seamless transactions, speed is key, and younger generations demand more flexibility. PayPal's cumbersome user experience often leaves much to be desired, especially with lengthy checkout processes and recurring login issues. Additionally, transaction fees have become a sticking point. As competition grows, both businesses and consumers seek better deals. PayPal's fees, while competitive in its early days, no longer cut it for cost-conscious users. Meanwhile, issues with account freezes and slow resolutions rankle a user base that desires instant gratification and assurance of access to funds. Furthermore, advancements in technology have opened new avenues for payment processors, and tech-savvy consumers are quick to adapt. The emergence of mobile payment solutions offers sleek, hassle-free transactions at lightning speed. Here, platforms like Venmo and Cash App, with their integration into everyday life and social networks, are becoming more attractive. Venmo, with its social payment feature, appeals particularly to millennials, promoting peer-to-peer transfers with an easy tap. Then there's Square, another rising star. Its seamless integration with small businesses offers quick transactions and intuitive analytics. Businesses appreciate Square's transparency and versatility, whether in person or online. Emerging cryptocurrency solutions also challenge PayPal's dominance, with giants like Bitcoin and platforms like Coinbase paving the way for digital currency transactions. PayPal's traditional methods appear outdated. So what's the takeaway? While PayPal remains a significant player, its future hinges on innovation and adaptation. As technology evolves, so must PayPal if it wishes to reclaim its throne. Potential challengers continue to rise, offering consumers what PayPal once promised: simplicity, speed, and security. The payment landscape is shifting, and only time will reveal who truly comes out on top. Stay tuned, and we'll keep you updated on the latest in this digital transformation saga.